first of all, what is a random process? So random process is nothing but the random variable with respect to the time intervals. So here, before going to that, we have to know about what are the statistical properties and what are the time averages of the random process. So what are the statistical properties? Majorly the statistical properties in the random process are mean, autocorrelation and the cross correlation. So what is a mean? Mean is nothing but the averaging of the random process. So we are representing with E of x of t. So E is nothing but the assembled averages, or we can say it as expected value of x of t. X of t is a random process. So we can represent it, this one as x of t bar. For continuous random process, this is the integration of minus infinity to plus infinity x into fx of x t with respect to the dt. So what is a integration represents is nothing but the continuous random process. So next property is autocorrelation. So what is a correlation? Correlation is nothing but the comparison of two random process. So if we are comparing two random process, same random process at two different time intervals, that is autocorrelation. If the random process we are comparing by taking the two different random variables at two different time intervals, so that is a cross correlation. So what is the autocorrelation? Here I am taking the x of t is a random process, x of t at a time interval t1. So or we can represent x1 is a random process at time period t1, and x of t2 or x2 is a same random process at time interval t2. So when you observe here, so same random process we are taking but different time intervals. So we are representing the correlation function Rxx of t1 comma t2 means this is the time with respect to t1 and t2 for the random process x. Same we are taking, so xx. For two different time intervals we are taking for the continuous random process. So two integrations we are getting here. X1 and x2 are the real numbers for the random process x1. x2 is a real values for the random process x2. So here the function with respect to the time intervals t1 and t2. So this is about the autocorrelation function. And the next one is cross correlation function. I already told you that here we are taking the two different random process at different time intervals. Here I am taking x of t is a one random process and y of t is another random process. X of t I am considering at time interval t1, y of t at time interval t2. So the cross correlation means cross means two different, so that our xy we are getting at time intervals t1 comma t2. This is the equation for continuous cross correlation function.
త్రీ మినిట్స్ అని ఆగిపోయింది మ్యామ్. 3 minutes అని
Time averages of random process. So random process we are considering the random variables at different time intervals. Here when you observe this graph, this is a random process graph at the different time intervals t1, t2, t3 up to so on tn. So on the x-axis I am taking the time period t, on the y-axis I am taking the random process x of t. So when I am considering the averages of these values are nothing but the time averages. There is a standard format for the time averages. A dot limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t minus infinity to minus t2 plus t dot dt. In the dot dt we can take any random process, either it may be x of t, y of t. As per our consideration we can take any random process here. So here the time average for the random process x of t I am considering in the dot, so that I am putting x of t. A of x of t is limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t minus t to t x of t dt. So here x of t is a random process. Time intervals in between minus t to t. So and next one, time autocorrelation function. So it is similar to the statistical autocorrelation function. As we know that the autocorrelation function we are representing with Rxx of tau is equal to the A means time averages of x of t and x of t plus tau. So here x of t is a random process at time interval t, and x of t plus tau is a random process after the time interval t plus tau. So t plus tau is nothing but the time differences between the two time intervals. Here if we consider t1 and t2, then tau is equal to t2 minus t1. Like that. And Rxx of tau equal to time averages we are considering is so different times t and t plus tau. Rxx of tau is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t minus t 2t x of t plus tau d tau. This is the expression for the autocorrelation function for the continuous time process. And next one is time cross correlation function. In the time cross correlation function, so cross correlation means Rxy of tau equal to limit t tends to infinity. In this place 1 by 2t is common, integration minus t to t is common, but two different two different random process we are taking, so that it is a cross correlation. So x of t into y of t plus tau d tau. This is about the time averages function for the random process. These are the statistical random process. So before ergodic random process. So what is a ergodic random process? Is nothing but the assemble. We are having the three types of ergodic random process: mean ergodic random process, autocorrelation ergodic random process, and the cross correlation ergodic random process. So when any random process is said to be ergodic process, but it has to maintain three conditions. It has to maintain the three conditions that the statistical properties are also equal to the time averages. Here, when we are considering the mean ergodic random process, the assemble averages, these are coming from the statistical properties. The assemble averages E of x of t is equal to the time averages. Here the A of x of t is the time averages, A of x of t. Then it is a mean ergodic random process. So mean ergodic random process is simply that the time averages mean is equal to the statistical properties of the mean. Then the random process is called as a mean ergodic random process. And coming to the second one, autocorrelation ergodic process. In autocorrelation ergodic process, the time autocorrelation function, time averages of autocorrelation function is equal to the autocorrelation function of the statistical properties. Then the random process is said to be the autocorrelation ergodic random process.